Want to track smarter, train harder, and live healthier, all from your wrist? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, a next-generation multi-sport powerhouse built for athletes who demand more. With a tougher build, brighter display, advanced training insights, and battery life that feels almost endless, this watch pushes performance to a whole new level. Whether you're conquering mountains, crushing workouts, or optimizing daily health, the Fenix 8 Pro is designed to keep you ahead of every challenge. What's in the box? Let's see what you get in the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro 47 or 51 millimeters AMOLED smartwatch, charging cable, and documentation pamphlets. Technical specifications. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro has a rugged case, a titanium bezel, a sapphire crystal, and a quick-fit silicone band, making it tough and comfortable. The 1.4-inch AMOLED display with 454 by 454 pixels stays sharp in any light, all packed in a 51mm premium build. Powered by Garmin's high-performance chip with 32 GB storage, it handles GPS, health, and sports tracking effortlessly. Loaded with sensors like heart rate, pulse ox, barometer, compass, accelerometer, gyroscope, thermometer, ambient light, and a 40-meter depth sensor, it tracks your every move. Stay on top of health with HR, ECG, SpO2, sleep, respiration, stress, body battery, hydration, skin temperature, and women's health tracking. Its 10 ATM water resistance and MELSTD 810 certification make it ready for swimming, diving, and extreme conditions. Battery lasts up to 27 days in smartwatch mode, 60 hours in GPS mode, 123 hours in max GPS mode, and 24 days in expedition mode. Stay connected with LTE, multiband GPS, Bluetooth, ANT+, Wi-Fi, and Garmin inReach satellite messaging. Control it via buttons, touchscreen, and rotating crown, with a speaker and mic for calls and voice commands. Runs on Garmin's advanced OS with maps, sports, and health features, in a bold, adventure-ready design. Safety features include incident detection, live track, and satellite messaging. Available in carbon gray, black, titanium DLC, and limited editions. Product features. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is built with a rugged fiber-reinforced polymer case, titanium bezel, and scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. With 10 ATM water resistance and MILSTD 810 military certification, it's ready for swimming, diving, and all outdoor adventures. The quick-fit silicone band ensures a secure and comfortable fit for everyday wear. Stay on top of your health with advanced sensors for heart rate, ECG, pulse ox, respiration, skin temperature, body battery, stress monitoring, hydration, and women's health tracking. It also supports sleep tracking and advanced wellness insights to help maintain a balanced lifestyle. Track all your activities with precision, from running, cycling, and swimming to hiking, strength training, and triathlons. The Fenix 8 Pro offers real-time stats, multi-sport modes, Climb Pro, and advanced training metrics to make every workout smarter and more efficient. Powered by Garmin's proprietary processor and 32 GB storage, the Fenix 8 Pro delivers smooth performance for navigation, tracking, and apps. Battery life lasts up to 27 days in smartwatch mode, 60 hours with GPS, 123 hours in max battery GPS mode, and up to 24 days in expedition GPS mode, keeping you going on even the longest adventures. Device layout and functions. Let's know your device layout. The upper left button turns on the screen, toggles the flashlight, opens the controls menu, and, with an active inReach plan, holding it for 5 seconds sends an SOS. The middle left button shows notifications, scrolls through screens, and holding it opens the main menu or extra options. The The lower left button scrolls through glances and menus, and holding it opens your music controls. The upper right button selects options, opens the apps and activities list, starts or stops workouts, and holding it activates voice commands. The lower right button goes back, records lapse or rest during activities, and holding it shows your recently used apps. Using the touchscreen on your Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is simple. Just tap to select any option in a menu, and hold your finger on the screen to open the menu for more controls. And when you need to enable or disable the touchscreen, just hold the light button with the start button, or hold the light button alone to access the touchscreen icon. You can also hold the light button, go to Watch Settings, then Display and Brightness, tap on Touch, and choose the setting you want. Wearing the watch. Get the perfect fit for all-day comfort. To remove the strap, press the quick-release latch and slide it out. Repeat on the other side. To attach a new strap, align it with the lug, press the latch, and lock it in place. Ensure both sides are secure and your watch is ready to wear. Place the watch comfortably on your wrist, ensuring the back sensors make full contact with your skin. Adjust the strap for a snug, but not tight fit, so it stays in place during daily activities and accurately tracks your health metrics. How to pair. To pair your Garmin Fenix 8 Pro with your phone, first ensure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone, then install the Garmin Connect app from the App Store or Google Play and log in or create an account. Turn on the watch by pressing and holding the light button, then follow the initial setup prompts, including language and time. When prompted to pair the phone, select Yes. The watch will display a QR code. Open Garmin Connect on your phone, scan the code, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing. Once connected, the watch and phone will sync, allowing you to configure additional preferences such as wrist orientation and notifications. If pairing fails, restart both devices, remove any previous pairings, keep the devices close together, and make sure both the app and watch firmware are up to date. How to charge. Connect the USB end of the charging cable to a power source and attach the charging clip to the watch's back, aligning the contacts. The watch will display a charging icon when charging begins. For best battery health, charge when low and avoid leaving it plugged in at 100% for long periods. How to reset your watch. Method 1. Reset via Watch Settings. Open Settings on your watch. Scroll down and tap System. Select Factory Reset or Reset Watch. Confirm your choice when prompted. The watch will restart and return to factory settings. Method 2. Reset using hardware buttons. Press and hold the light button for 15 to 20 seconds until the watch powers off. Release the button, then press it again to turn the watch back on. This forces a restart but does not erase data unless a factory reset is selected in Settings. Resetting will erase all data, including apps, settings, and personal information. Make sure your watch is backed up via the Garmin Connect app before proceeding. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build, the Fenix 8 Pro features a rugged fiber-reinforced polymer body with a titanium bezel and sapphire crystal lens, built for extreme durability. The T-Rex 3 Pro also uses a fiber-reinforced polymer case with a titanium bezel and buttons, plus a sapphire glass display, offering solid toughness at a lower price point. Display and sizes. The Fenix 8 Pro comes in 47 and 51mm sizes with a 1.4-inch display, offering bright AMOLED or MicroLED options. The T-Rex 3 Pro is available in 48 and 44mm versions, with 1.5-inch or 1.32-inch AMOLED screens, reaching up to 3000 nits brightness for clear visibility outdoors. Battery and storage. The Fenix 8 Pro lasts up to 15 days on the 47mm model and up to 27 days on the 51mm version in smartwatch mode, with up to 44 hours of GPS use. The T-Rex 3 Pro offers up to 25 days of typical use on the 48mm model and 17 days on the 44mm version, with extended GPS modes for long adventures. Talking about other features. The Fenix 8 Pro includes LTE, satellite messaging, multi-band GPS, and advanced sensors like SpO2, ECG, and temperature monitoring. The T-Rex 3 Pro provides Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, 6 satellite positioning, a bio-tracker sensor, and even a dual-color LED flashlight. Pros and cons. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is a premium, adventure-focused smartwatch, featuring LTE and satellite connectivity, a bright AMOLED or MicroLED display, comprehensive multi-sport tracking, and a built-in LED flashlight. It offers robust battery life, lasting up to 27 days in smartwatch mode. However, it is relatively bulky, commands a high price, and LTE features require a subscription. Overall, it remains an exceptional choice for serious outdoor enthusiasts and professionals seeking reliability and advanced functionality. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.